Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Alyssa. If you are new, happy Saturday. It's also Memorial Day weekend. I'm sorry if you could hear the dryer going. Jacob is packing up some of his stuff and fluffing clothes. I tried to film this outside, but it was way too loud and I was sweating. So anyway, it is Memorial Day weekend. We're heading up to West Palm to celebrate our 5-year anniversary. I will bring you guys along for as much of it as I can. I'm excited. We really don't have any plans. We do have a reservation tonight at the Restoration Hardware rooftop, and we'll probably hop around from there. Tomorrow is our actual anniversary. We don't have too many plans. I want to relax by the pool, honestly. Hopefully it is nice, and then we'll probably do a nice dinner tomorrow, but we don't have any plans. We'll kind of just go with the flow. If we have to wait, we will just put our name down, walk around, grab a drink, that kind of thing. We didn't have plans for our anniversary probably 2 or 3 months ago when I booked this hotel, and I feel like it's just gonna be the perfect staycation. We've had a lot going on with work and buying our condo and stuff that we just want to relax. We just are excited to have some good food and drinks and lay by the pool, and I feel like a hotel for an anniversary is going to be perfect. We can just relax, feel pampered a little bit. West Palm's kind of bougie, so I feel like it'll be really nice. But I'll take you guys with us for as much of it as I can. We are going to pick up some lunch now. It is almost 2 o'clock, so we'll probably get to the hotel right for check-in. We're staying at the Hilton in downtown West Palm. I'll give you guys a room tour, take you along, and I hope you enjoy. I know, I might just like, nah, I guess I'll put it on. Try.
Yum.
Is it good? Mm-hmm. First time you've had it, right? I love it. Chicken salad sandwich from Top Hat Deli.
They're artists over there.
Messy. This was the the best thing that I got out of our apartment flooding. Finding this sandwich.
A good sandwich.
Mm-hmm. We just got to the hotel. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. We have the front door there, nice bathroom. King bed and a pool view. I don't know, I was thinking open this champagne and then honestly maybe use our like $28
Thing down at the
credit and go get a drink by the pool.
I am in.
Did you open it? Ooh, that was
I figured that was enough.
wearing his new Banana Republic shirt. I really like it.
Let him fly as always.
Okay, let me go get the cups. Oh, you gotta blow your nose that loudly?
Yep. Oh, I don't know if I got the speaker, did you?
Yeah, I put it in my bag.
Oh, this is so nice. I have nothing to do. We're not even home, so you can't even try and clean.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Jacob is already watching golf, if you hear that in the background, but we are checked in. We're staying at the Hilton in downtown West Palm, if I didn't already say that. It's really nice. I'll give you guys a better look at the lobby and stuff when we go down, but I think we're just going to sip and enjoy some champagne for a bit. We have our reservation at 6:30. I think it's like 3:30 now, so we will see what we get into until then. We are about to head down to the bar at the hotel pool, grab a drink before we head to Restoration Hardware. I literally think my entire outfit is from Amazon besides my shoes. My shoes are Princess Polly, but dress, necklaces, and everything are Amazon. Come here. Let's show your outfit. Jacob is wearing a new shirt from Banana Republic. He loves them. Cuts joggers and some white Vans. I can smell it from here.
Slow a little down is what you said. I'ma get it all up in my head. White t-shirt, blue jeans. I can never get enough of you. Bright sneakers on, getting ready for a flashback. Time keeps moving on. Looking at you, feeling like I could never get enough of you. And I could never get enough of you. I could never get enough of you. And I could never get enough of you.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. We are up and showering, getting ready for the day. I think we're gonna go to an Irish pub. It's like 11 o'clock right now. We're gonna go to an Irish pub to watch soccer games. Compromise. This is something that Jacob wants to do this weekend, so we're gonna go and watch the soccer games. I think they're like 2 hours long, so we'll probably do that, grab some breakfast or lunch kind of thing, and then come back and hang at the pool for the rest of the day. But it is, I have to ask him what it's called. I think it's called like Championship Day or something, where it's all of the teams play and it's the last games of the season, something like that. But that, I think, is what we're going to do. It is kind of cloudy, but as long as it's not raining, I would love to go to the pool. It's already pretty crowded. I'm like looking at it in front of me right now, but yesterday was a lot of fun. We kind of did a little wine tour. So we started with some champagne here. We grabbed a drink at the hotel bar because they give you a $28 credit to use basically during your stay. You like have already paid for it basically, but you can charge $28 per day to the room. So we went and got a drink and did that, and then we went to the Restoration Hardware rooftop, which was so cute. It was really nice. We like walked around because we got there a little bit early and just kind of got some home inspo. We got a little snack there. I got champagne, Jacob got red wine, and then we went to this wine bar that Jacob chose, and it was really cute. It was called the Blind Monk, I think, in downtown West Palm. And we sat outside. I took a video. It was just like so cute, and they had little tables set up outside with string lights and everything. And then we went to an Italian place and we got some more wine and a little snack. So we kind of just hopped around to a few different places, but wine was definitely the drink of choice last night. So we will see what we get into today, but right now I'm just wearing a little black tank and my Free People shorts that are part of a set. I don't know if I'm going to wear this or what. I might put some jeans on, but happy Sunday.
24 when I won 16.
We're in 16. Oh, I see.
There we go.
Nice.
There we go. 2 and 19.
We match. You want one? Here's the last.
Here's green.
Here's 5 years. We are about to head down to the pool. I'm wearing this cute Amazon cover up with a PacSun swimsuit underneath. This one was in my PacSun swim haul. I can have that video linked down below if you guys are interested. Jacob's wearing a cute black swimsuit from PacSun as well, but we're just going to pack a little bag and head down to the pool. Hello you guys, it is now Sunday night. We are about to head to dinner. We're going to this place called Pistache. Could be saying that wrong, but it is in downtown West Palm. It's on Clematis, so we're gonna walk over there now. My hair is still a little bit wet, but luckily I have pretty easy, manageable hair. I'm just gonna let it dry on the walk over. Hope for the best. I bought a little hair comb, but I'm wearing this dress from Amazon. Oh my god, my ring got stuck, but not sure if I have it like crossed correctly, but I think so. Looks good enough to me. It's just a little mini dress. I have on some black heels from Princess Polly. I'm going to carry my black Amazon bag, but yeah, I'm excited for a good little dinner. We are gonna head out now. It's almost 7. It's like 6:45. Dinner's at 8, so we'll walk over there, maybe find a place to grab a drink beforehand, and then go to dinner. First escargot.
I'm gonna put some on a plate. Oh, it's a show. It is a show.
You love it? Garlic and buttery and delicious.
I really like that.
Taste it.
It's a raspberry compote.
Hello, we are back from West Palm. I wanted to come on here and end off the video because I realized that I pretty much stopped filming after our dinner on Sunday. We went to that French restaurant and it was really good. Jacob got a duck dish. He tried escargot for the first time. It was really good. And then I was deciding between the steak frite and the burger, so I asked the waitress which one she recommended, and she actually said the burger. So that is what I got, and it did not disappoint. It was one of the best burgers I think I've ever had. It had balsamic onions, Gruyere, horseradish aioli, I think, and some type of slaw. It was so good. So if you're in West Palm, you end up at that restaurant called Pistache. I highly recommend the burger. It was delicious. We also told them that it was our anniversary on the reservation. They brought us a little slice of cake, and it was great. And then on Monday, we pretty much just checked out of the hotel right away. We did grab lunch at Sweetgreen because I love Sweetgreen. I used to get it all the time when I worked in New York, and they have them down here. It's just kind of few and far between. So when I saw that we had one so close to the hotel, I wanted to stop there and grab lunch, and then we came back, went to the pool here for the rest of the day. But I am going to end off the video here. We had a really nice trip. We didn't do a whole lot, but it was exactly what we were looking to do. But if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more moving videos and fun stuff like that coming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.